high heat we had been seeing, Michelle.
Oh, no more 90s, at least right today. But we're going to feel more tropical, especially as we talk about the potential Tropical Cyclone One that is right now over the Texas coast and inland at this point. It is bringing torrential downpours, flash flooding, and we have some warnings up near the Galveston and Houston area. So we're watching for this system just rolling up along the northeast coastline, likely becoming Arthur in the next 24 hours. As it does so, it's going to pump in some more southwesterly moisture, and that flow helps to fuel that higher humidity here. We're going to feel more uncomfortable, a little bit stickier, but then we talk about rain chances that could impact the Carolinas and Virginia by Friday, even late Thursday, a chance of some severe storms. So we're watching this carefully. You can see it here right now, sitting just north of the Brownsville area. It's moving northeast at about 6 miles an hour, so slow mover, not quite a tropical system yet. We still have another 24 hours to see how this forms. We're expecting this low to roll right off the coast, and as it does so, it's going to interact with very warm ocean waters in those low 80s, and we've got wind speeds right now at 30 miles an hour, so it's got to come up to at least 35 miles an hour, right, to see a tropical depression. And beyond that, as we get into tropical storm status, we want to see those stronger winds, but also a more organized system, and so we're going to be watching for that from the National Hurricane Center. We believe that Arthur may form as we go into later tonight, early tomorrow morning, and that system then follows a track that takes most of the rain up along the deep south. So this is still going to wrap tropical rain bands inland all the way through northern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and into central Alabama. So that's within the next 48 hours. By this point, though, it becomes extratropical after Thursday, or remnants of what the system will be, which is Arthur. We expect to see a bulk of that energy, that moisture, rolling out toward the Carolinas, first over Georgia and Alabama. It won't have quite the same energy it does as it has right now along the Gulf, but it still has a lot of moisture to work with. And you notice the speed with which it's moving. It's kind of rolling up very quickly out to the east, and because it's not going to linger here, we may see lower rainfall totals than we might normally expect with anything that has just become extratropical. So we'll be watching for that. You've got temperatures in the 70s. You're going to be beautiful today, right? Nice to have a little break, a heat break for us. We'll still be in the lower 80s this afternoon, but that's about where we should be this time of the year, low to mid 80s. With temperatures in the 60s overnight, we have temperatures at 80 degrees in the foothills, as well 60s overnight for you. Very comfortable in the high country from areas of Boone, Ennis, Galax, Sparta, and Jefferson. Temperatures are pleasant. Now we go through the next 24 hours, noticing higher humidity and upper 80s here as that system continues to track really to the north and east. And as it moves closer to us, we'll notice a chance to see some severe thunderstorm activity developing as early as Thursday night. Otherwise, we're dealing with the upper 80s to low 90s out there ahead of the system. It's feeling like we have tropical air pumping in, and in fact we will. We've got those temperatures possibly in the 90s by Thursday, with a severe thunderstorm risk that develops for folks in the mountains as well as the foothills. Impact day is for Thursday for severe weather. Maybe adding that impact day for heavy rain and flash flooding risks on Friday for Juneteenth, but by later in the day we'll clear out, and by Father's Day back into the mid and upper 80s and beautiful for your Sunday.